Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another Plan with Vivi. This week we are planning week of December 23rd to December 29th in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner. This is the week of Christmas, and the kit I'm going to be using is again by Design Sticker Store, and it is called Hey Santa. It is really cute. It is a photo printable kit, and I just saw it and I was like, definitely gonna use this kit because it is so cute. So let's get to showing you this kit. Okay, so here is the kit. Here are the full boxes, and I did take my Secure Jelly Roll pen, and it is the clear Stardust pen, and I went ahead and went over the full boxes to give them that glitter effect. I don't know how clear you can see that, but there it is. I took my black pen and I wrote Merry Christmas on that right there, and that is that full sheet there. You get your heart checklist. I love the little sparkle around it. I don't use the full boxes in my spreads, but I still think it's cute and adorable. It has these nice little circles here and half circles that are cute as well. You've got your squared off half boxes, these up here with little page flags, and these down here with decorations, some Bill Do's habit trackers, a little tracker for Etsy orders, a fly tracker. You've got some work stickers and an appointment reminder and Instagram little label right there. Here we have the glitter headers along with the TV stickers, dinner stickers, and other additional appointment boxes. You have some more circle icons, the $2 Tuesday reminder, and two more of the little appointment box labels there. We have our date covers, our day dots, some decor here, and two stackable sideboards, and then these two festive half box and quarter box there. And then we have our bottom washi here with along with these cute little bow dividers, some icon labels here, and checklists. So this is really cute. Some of the other things that I'm going to try to incorporate, if I remember, are these little decor stickers that I have left over from the I love to print printable, the Christmas checklist or bucket list thing. I'm definitely going to use the light candles, the Christmas Eve one, the Happy Christmas one, as well as I might Christmas movies, because we're definitely watching Christmas movies, drink hot cocoa, all that fun stuff. So we're definitely going to be putting that sheet to use. I do have my appointment boxes and double dots from Planner Kate, and I have this sheet of icon stickers from ScribblePrintsCo. I have this sticker sheet here. It is the mini drizzle dot banners in the color peppermint twist. It does have the rose gold foil over it. So that also is what I pulled out. For the foil overlays, I pulled out this one here, which is the gold and silver sprinkle dots. But I also have this little sheet here from OnceMoreWithLove. It was a little freebie. So it has the little hearts, and I thought that this would be really cute. I mean, sorry, the little bows, because of the bows that are here to go over the headers, and as well as like you've got the cute little munchkin, so you know, gotta do that. And then I also have the holiday little foil stickers from Wonton in a Million. Those are really cute. I want to see how somehow, some way we're gonna stick them in here. We are. So that's it for the kit. So let's get started with the plan with me.